Hello everyone, I am Nitesh Kumar Dubey, Assistant Engineer in Irrigation Department of Uttar Pradesh. So, in just 5-10 minutes, I am going to tell you about the preparation strategy, or just I want to you to familiarize with the examination pattern. Okay, so this time they have scrapped this subjective test, and just only the objective evaluation will be there. So it will be very good for all those students who are preparing for just engineering services or some other state level examination in which only objective types of question being asked. So starting from the examination pattern, there will be 2 days exam. On the first day you will be having Hindi exam, and on the same day, on the second half, you can say that there will be second exam of general studies. And the Hindi likes the very common questions like tatsam, tadbhav, sandhi, viched. What is the meaning of this sentence? Is it right grammatically or not? Related this question will be asked, and it will be very scoring subject. If you are good in Hindi, then it is very scoring subject. Easily you can obtain more than 50 plus marks in the Hindi category. Now coming to general studies. In this you have to you have to prepare this very good, because anywhere from the question from anywhere will be asked, whether it is related to geography of the UP or is adjoining or border states, whether it is related to India, current affairs like the section 315, section 370 of Indian Constitution, and the related topics like the recent one, not like just 1 or 2 months before the exam, like 5 or 6 months just before the exams, and the question related to the authors, who has authored this book, who has written this book, but who was the person who said this particular statement. So this question will be there: which monument has been built by that person or which person? So similar question you will face. Now the next day, on the second day, you will have your technical exam, objective type part A and part B, or we can say the paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, like similar, you have the question similar to the what you are facing in the engineering services. So, and I want to remind you, like in my time, the questions were literally straight. So if you are very good, or if you are in touch with the technical subjects, you can easily go through them. So scoring 70% is very easy, but going beyond it is 80, it is very tough. Okay, so you have to maintain a very good accuracy and speed in order to score in the technical part, and it is going to be very tough this time, because a lot of engineers are looking for the opportunity to work with UP government to uplift the irrigation and the PWD sectors of the Uttar Pradesh, to help the farmers, to help the statesmen of the Uttar Pradesh. Now, you have to manage your time very well. Okay, might be this time they won't deduct any marks for the wrong questions or the wrong answers. Okay, so you have to manage your time very carefully, otherwise it will be a problem. So this was all about how the questions are being framed in the last years, 2016 or before that, and this year it will be very challenging and tough for all of you, and you have to prepare yourself very well. On December 13th it will be there, and you will face a lot of competition. So if you are coming prepared, then it is very good. It is just tick and go type of questions will be there, just I am guessing. Okay, now coming to the job prospects in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so now they are offering, UP is offering the job in PWD, that is Public Work Development Department, and this is related to irrigation. So we have major irrigation and minor irrigation. Okay, so in irrigation, if we say that we have to fulfill the demands of the farmer, how? By supplying water to canals. Okay, to build the canal, it is also responsibility of the irrigation department. Okay, to have transformers starter delta panel are also required. Cranes to make the dam. Proper tendering is there, is setup is there in Lucknow for the purchase of all these equipments. So things will be there. You will able to learn about the tendering process, how it is done from zero to the maximum limit. Okay, now once you go to the like lift and canals maintenance, okay, barrages are also there, gates, different types of gates are there, controlling the flow rate of water. Okay, so designing of the gate is also very important. Like we can say that whether it is a vertical lift type gate or radial gate, different types of gates are there which one you will use for a particular application. Okay, so there are series of things. In PWD we have like things related to the construction, okay, or controlling the water resources which are present. So we are going according to that. Like this time the UP government has allowed the PWD for mechanical engineers also. In my time there was no vacancy for the mechanical engineers in PWD sectors. Only the civil engineers were given job in the PWD. So there are different prospects once you clear the interview round and this written marks and all, everything is clear. So you have to choose very carefully the things. Okay, so in which sector you want to go. All sectors are very good, challenging. You have to work, give your best to get the things done on time and just fulfill the demands of the lakhs and crores of pupils of UP. Okay, because irrigation is like the, we can say that is a need, is the need of the hour. If you do the things right, things will be timely done, food grains will be there. Okay, so we are just doing that. Okay, just last line, best of luck. Hope to see you in the UP irrigation department and water resources. Thank you. Bye bye.